The chicken harvest begins in the garden. The trader uses a hook to catch the best ones. It takes a lot of skill to catch them. Dad helps the trader by putting each chicken into the cage. It's a busy and noisy morning, but this is the most exciting part of the year for a farmer. To the Coop to get the rest. We weigh the whole cage at once to get the total. Suddenly, one chicken breaks free. Dad reacts fast. He catches it just before it disappears into the fields. A lucky save! After loading the chickens, Dad weighs the empty cage. He uses a brick to calculate the net weight right on the concrete. Time for payment. The results of months of hard work, counting every bill carefully. The sale is done. She heads off with the flock. Dad carries the cage back. One task finished. Ted is coming close. The sale is done, but the work isn't. Dad immediately heads back to check on the remaining flock. He takes a moment to observe them, ensuring everything is in order. With the flock settled, Dad is finally ready to start the traditional work for our family's Tet. Next, fresh banana leaves. Dad grabs his sickle. He heads to the field to gather. Each leaf is carefully selected. These will form the fragrant green layer that protects and scents our Tet sausage. While Dad gets the leaves, my wife heads to the market to buy fresh pork and bamboo with the chicken money. Right after my wife returned from the market, my dad began making bamboo ties, splitting bamboo into thin ties. A knife for the start, his teeth for the pull, a skill perfected over decades. Dad splits bamboo, while Mom boils the meat and sets it aside to dry. Before slicing, Dad separated the skin, the fat, and the lean meat. Now, Dad slices it. pig ears for the crunch, wood ears for the flavor. Every cut is precise. Meanwhile, the rest of the chickens are out in the garden. Now, it's time for Dad to show his skills, stir-frying the sausage over a glowing wood fire with fish sauce and pepper. Reusing feed bags as a liner, Dad prepares to wrap. Placing fresh banana leaves over the liner. He begins to roll it tightly, just like making a spring roll. Tying the first bamboo tie to secure the roll. Adding more meat and pressing both ends of the roll firmly. Dad uses his hands to make sure the roll is firm and looks good. The pork roll is finished after 3 hours of Dad's hard work. Two days later, the sausage is ready. Dad tastes it and enjoys the result.
What?
Subscribe to support Dad's farming journey and family life.